It's called the mother-in-law's tongue, but don't worry, it won't bite. Some believe it can purify the air. Others say it's practically indestructible. But what's the real story behind the snake plant? Stick around, you're about to unlock the secrets of one of the most fascinating plants you can bring into your home. Native to the rocky soils of West Africa, the snake plant, or Sansevieria trifasciata, evolved to survive harsh conditions. Long before it became a Pinterest favorite, African tribes used its strong fibers to make bowstrings. In fact, it's sometimes called viper's bowstring hemp. Its sword-like leaves aren't just dramatic, they're a masterclass in survival, designed to store water and resist drought. Busy schedule? Forgetful with watering? Snake plants? Don't mind. They thrive on neglect, needing water only every 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the season. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Snake plants are among the few plants that perform photosynthesis at night, releasing oxygen while you sleep. NASA even listed them as one of the top air-purifying plants, helping remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Imagine cleaner air, better sleep, and a touch of greenery with almost no effort. It's like having a silent superhero guarding your living room. Want your snake plant to thrive? Here's your care cheat sheet. Light. Bright, indirect light is best. But these plants are troopers. They'll survive low light too. Think of them as the MacGyver of the plant world. Water. Water deeply, but only when the soil is dry at least halfway down. In winter, cut watering back. Even more overwatering is the #1 snake plant killer. Soil. Fast-draining soil is key. A cactus mix works beautifully. Think desert, not swamp. Temperature. Keep it cozy. Snake plants love temps between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Below 50 degrees, they might start to sulk. Fertilizer. Feed lightly during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Even the hardiest plants can run into trouble. Watch out for these signs. Yellow leaves. Usually a sign of overwatering. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Mushy base. Root rot. Remove affected leaves and repot in dry soil. Brown tips. Dry air or inconsistent watering. Try a humidifier or simply move the plant away from drafty areas. Pests. While rare, mealybugs and spider mites sometimes crash the party. A quick wipe with insecticidal soap usually does the trick. One famous case at a university greenhouse involved a snake plant surviving a full year without any watering. When finally watered again, it sprouted new leaves within weeks. Moral of the story? These plants don't just survive, they thrive in tough love. Think all snake plants look the same? Think again. Sansevieria cylindrica. Cylindrical, spiky, and often braided like a living piece of art. Sansevieria moonshine. Silvery, ghost-like leaves that glow in the light. Sansevieria laurenti. The classic one with bold yellow edges, a real showstopper. Whale fin Sansevieria. Massive, singular leaves shaped like a whale's fin, rare and stunning. Each variety has its own unique flair. Which one will you choose to invite into your home? The snake plant isn't just another houseplant. It's a living reminder that strength, beauty, and resilience can thrive even in the harshest conditions. If you could have a plant that not only beautifies your space, but literally helps you breathe easier, wouldn't you want one? Which snake plant variety caught your eye? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden stories behind the plants you love.